Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of your reader book, The Blue Pot and the Red Pot. Dear children, before we begin this chapter, let me ask you two questions. What do you do when you see people who are not perfect? You see many people around you daily. Some are good, some are bad, some are perfect, some are imperfect, some are not perfect. So, what do you do when you see people who are not perfect? And the second question is, do you tease people who look different or who cannot do all the things you can do? Think, and you have to answer these questions after reading the chapter. Okay, so let's begin. Chang Ching, a waterman in China, had two large pots. So there was a man whose name was Chang Ching, and his job was to fill water from a river and carry it to the houses of people. Okay, he had two large pots. One was blue in color and the other one was red. Okay, he carried both on either side of a long rod across his shoulders. So you can see in the picture that each pot is hung on each end of a long rod which the Chang carried across his neck. Okay, one pot was red, the other blue. The red pot had a crack in it, while the blue pot was big and beautiful. The blue pot, you can see, is perfect and the red pot is leaking. Okay, Chang used to fill both the pots from the river and carry them to his house every day. Okay, so it was his daily routine to carry the pots to the river, fill them with water and bring them home. On reaching home, the blue pot was always full of water, while the red pot was always only half full. Here you can see in the picture that on reaching home, blue pot is full and the red pot is only half full due to the crack in it. Okay. For 1 year, Chang carried only 1.5 pots full of water to his house. So this happened for 1 year. He filled two pots full from the river, but when he reached home, he carried only 1.5 pots full of water. The blue pot was very proud that it was perfect. The red pot was sad that it was cracked and leaky. So this made the red pot unhappy. One day, on reaching the river, the red pot started crying. I am sorry, I can't carry enough water for you because I am cracked. Okay, the red pot was ashamed of not being perfect, whereas the blue pot was proud as it was perfect. So one day the red pot apologized to his master for not doing his job perfectly. Okay, and said the red pot started crying and said, I am sorry I can't carry enough water for you because I am cracked. Chang softly patted the red pot and said, did you see that there were flowers on your side of the road and not on the blue pot side? I know you have a crack, so I planted seeds on your side of the road. So Chang patted the red pot. and asked it to notice the beautiful flowers on his side of the road. So, every day on our way to the house, you watered hundreds of seeds. Hearing this, the red pot was pleased, and Chang was able to look at pretty flowers every day. So, this satisfied the red pot. When the red pot noticed that there were rows of beautiful flowers on his side of the road, so this satisfied it. Okay, so did you see that in this story that Chang converted the shortcoming of the red pot into its strength? So, dear children, we all are like the red pot. We all have faults. We all have weaknesses. We all have shortcomings. Okay, but we should always try to turn our faults. We should always try to turn our shortcomings into advantage. Okay, and we must not tease anyone for his or her weakness and try to find good in them. This is the moral of this story, and I hope that you have got the answers of the questions which I have asked you in the beginning. So read this chapter once again, okay, and have a nice day. Thank you, class.